I'm here at Old Car City, USA, which is in Georgia off 75. And this is a place you need to come and visit if you're looking something to do. You're driving through Georgia or you're in Georgia. You can come up here. It's about $30 to come in, but it's acres of old cars just like this. Look at that old police car. And it is a really, really cool experience to just get to see these old cars just sitting here, one on top of the other. You'll even be able to see Elvis Presley's last car that he purchased. So look at this police car, pretty wild. This is a really, really cool experience to come out here, and it's shaded as well, by the way. So check it out, and if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a great day. So this is Elvis Presley's last car that he purchased, and this is a Mark V. Let's take a look at the inside. And look at that. There's some Elvis Presley memorabilia. Quite a big vehicle.